not audible. Please put your mic on. Mic is off.
Now I am audible.
Yes, sir, you're audible now.
Hello.
Yes, sir, audible now.
Good afternoon. This is Pankaj, and my topic for my presentation is
So please share your screen if you are going to present your presentation.
uh, is my screen visible now?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
This is Pankaj, and my topic for my presentation is a novel hybrid model for supporting humanity to fight COVID-19 pandemic by integrating artificial intelligence with data mining techniques. This topic is represented by me.
Sir, your presentation is not on the screen.
Now it is present.
Sir, you can share your screen. You can check the option on the top left corner. There it is file, edit and share. Click on share and then share content.
Your entire screen.
Share. Click on share. Yes, sir.
Now is my screen visible?
Yes, sir, it's visible now.
This is my topic, uh, and I am a research scholar at Department of Computer Science and Applications, MDU Rohtak, under the able supervision of Dr. Pooja Mittal, who is an assistant professor in Department of Computer Science and Applications. These are the contents. First is the introduction part, then GIS technology and data mining, then telecom data as big analytics, action plan to fight COVID-19 pandemic, then conclusion, and then reference. First is the introduction part. Since the December 2019 outbreak of the coronavirus in China, there is a panic everywhere with people wearing masks and other locked in their houses all day to avoid contracting the virus. There are fears the outbreak will negatively impact the world's economy. The world needs a quick and safe solution right now to combat further spread of the coronavirus. Then, what then is the best solution to this health crisis? There is where technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning come into play. These are the certain AI platforms. First is the Blue Dot. This AI platform from Blue Dot is among the latest technological advances using data analytics to map and prevent disease. Blue Dot predicted the SARS pandemic and turned out to be true. The outbreak alert about the coronavirus on December 2019 is an evidence attesting to this powerful nature of AI technology. This later came true as the outbreak became mainstream on February 2nd, 2020. Natural language process is Natural language processing is one tool used by Blue Dot to track diseases, with company being successful in detecting diseases around the globe. For instance, Blue Dot analyzes human languages around the world and uses this information to assess them forecast disease outbreaks. Machine learning is another technology used by Blue Dot with the algorithms offering updated information about possible disease occurrences. Second is in silico medicine. This is a startup focused on using analytics in disease prevention. Based in Maryland, USA, in silico medicine is currently developing technology that will inform doctors about molecules capable of fighting against the coronavirus. The AI system at In Silico Medicine is fast and accurate, having recently analyzed molecules and provided feedback about molecules suited to counter the coronavirus. The startup is currently developing a database of molecular information that medical researchers can use in their projects, and more so combating deadly outbreaks, including the coronavirus. Third is Harvard Medical. This school is spearheading efforts to find solutions for the coronavirus by using machine learning technology to review data and information from various sources, including patient records, social media, and public health data. As a result of a natural language processing tool, researchers at Harvard Medical School can search online information about the coronavirus and understand the current location of the outbreak. Now, geographical information systems and data mining. The GIS technology has become an important tool for stopping the spread of coronavirus. Data mining is critical for GIS technology to work because of using information to detect areas where people talk about the disease. Social media sites are good information sources for a GIS as the technology maps the area of interest where people are talking about the coronavirus. Prevention measures can be implemented since these heat maps can better track both the location and the spread of a disease. 10 years ago, it was practically impossible to track diseases. Today, with artificial intelligence, machine learning, and geographical information systems, data mining and extracting insights is both easier and more powerful at location vulnerable to infection caused by viruses. The bottom line is prevention response time is quicker today. Now, telecom data as big analytics. Using big data in this outbreak include tracking information on people's movements through their mobile phones and rolling out mobile apps that allow users to find out if they have come in contact with a confirmed coronavirus carrier, that is COVID-19. For instance, telecom company can send numerous text messages to media outlets about people confirmed to have the virus. These text messages normally include information about a patient's travel history and could be as detailed as the seat he or she sat on while taking a specific train or even which subway train compartment they boarded at a specific time. In the early days of the outbreak, media outlets would post this information on social media, allowing people to find out if they had come to close contact with confirmed patients and then quarantine themselves if necessary. Collecting personal data, control the outbreak, would respect minimalism rule and avoid excessive collecting. It's incredibly important to take sure no information is leaked and all the collected data should be deleted after use. This is a picture which demonstrates how AI and machine learning interact with data mining techniques and help in many aspects of business, from enhancing the customer experience to predictive maintenance to improving network reliability. The largest telecoms in the world rely upon artificial intelligence and machine learning in a number of ways. The most common applications are illustrated in this picture. Now, action plan to fight the COVID-19 pandemic. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, action plan to fight the COVID-19 pandemic. The first priority is to determine information available on the coronavirus to better map the situation and develop concrete solutions. Secondly, to measure loopholes in the current virus outbreak to foster collaboration needed to stop further spread. Next, the success against coronavirus pandemic lies in the research community working together to fight the outbreak by bringing the best minds together. Information sharing will ensure that the virus is well understood and the public join in the fight by adopting best practices. Collective responsibility is another priority, stressing the needs for frameworks and implementing plans that will respond to the crisis on time. artificial intelligence tops the technologies to handle the coronavirus outbreak. Technology companies can develop applications to help people confirm their movements during the period of outbreak as a safety measure and to avoid further spread. Telecom data is an example of where applications check the movement and contact of AI and machine learning can help us to detect persons who are at maximum danger of being infected by the novel coronavirus. This can be prepared by incorporating electronic health record data with a multitude of big data sources concerning to human interactions from mobile cellular operators, road traffic, airlines, social media, etc. This will make distribution of valued resources such as tested kits more efficient as well as informing how we as a society respond to this over time. Artificial intelligence and machine learning can use data to make objective and informed recommendations and can help ensure resources are allocated as efficiently as possible. Doing so will save lives and can help reduce the burden on healthcare systems and professionals. From a public health perspective, mobility information from telecom data can be used to understand human mobility trends in regard to lockdown measures and evaluate the risk of infection increases of a specific region. Many artificial intelligence techniques have already been implemented on a smaller scale in real world settings. They are essentially ready to go with only slight adaptations required. Now, the conclusion part. Considering the possible future epidemics of COVID 19, in this paper, the importance of the artificial intelligence driven tools have been introduced and discussed. Artificial intelligence driven tools can help to identify COVID 19 outbreaks as well as forecast their nature of spread across the globe. To achieve higher confidence during decision making process, rather than relying on one data type, several data types are expected to be employed. For this, under the scope of active learning, the use of telecom data has been discussed. The use of effective data mining techniques empowered by artificial intelligence and machine learning can help in effective monitoring and control of the pandemic locations by using trainable telecom datasets. These are the references. Thank you. Any questions, please?
Thank you so much, sir. Suman ma'am, do you want to ask any question? Suman ma'am, do you want to ask any question from Pankaj sir? Pankaj sir, you can stop your screen sharing.
Okay.
Suman ma'am, do you want to ask any question from Pankaj sir? Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming in this short session. It was pleasure
Thank
meeting with you. Thank you.
It was a nice meeting. Thank you.